with the Life Skill Go program, what was really good for us in that reporting side of it was the weather report. So when our children were completing the weather report, we were able to really analyse to see how they were feeling and really identify if there were any red flags happening. And so then that's when the teacher would follow up with those students, especially remotely at that point. So they make that call to the parent, right? Or in a Zoom session, ask the student to stay behind, and have a chat with them about things, So that was a really good tool in the actual platform for us during remote learning, especially.
And definitely Life Skills Go has given us sort of, I guess, data on how students are feeling. So we have a number of different ways we do check-ins, both using Life Skills Go and also teacher-developed systems and approaches. But definitely, I actually had a colleague today say to me that the Life Skills Go weather report, so that is, for people who aren't familiar with the program, every student has it's a roll call button. And she's embedded this as part of her morning routine with her class. And she actually said it is the highlight of her students' day to do that. So that was really lovely feedback, actually. And she does it every single day consistently. And the kids loved it. There was an upgrade last week and they all noticed, and they were so happy about that. So, but definitely we are using that to track. And I started looking at that data just recently as well. We were doing our external validation, and it was really interesting seeing some of the students' patterns of their behavior and allowing teachers to know when they've got to tap in if we're not having a great day, or support them as needed.
And I think I think that's a really amazing, and coming back to why we built lots of different, there's lots of things in there, and that came up with when I'm walking in the morning, how do I get to have a viewpoint? So that roll call, or being able to send them out and having automated response on the back of it if you do have an individual student plan, or if you do have students that you need to develop that for. And it's lovely to hear that it's being used so well. I think it's been great. It's one of the many, many features that, again, the feature is to help have visibility to the teacher. How is this young person in front of me? And also being able to have data over a week, a month, a term, because patterns do emerge. And there was a school recently talking to me that they were able to map that it was when they were moving between their parents' places and they were changing houses, and it was, it gives me goosebumps. So it was like, it was really like, okay, this is, Thursdays is this day. And so I thought that was really beautiful.